Hi everybody, it's Jeff with a quick tutorial again. This one is about how to download a copy of the video that we're asking you to play during homeroom, either today, August 28th, 2020, or Monday, August 31st. I don't know if you'll have time to watch this because I'm making this not too long before homeroom today, but what we need to do here is just go to the shared faculty folder, which I have linked in my drive. However you get there, go to school year 2021, go to years beginning / reference, and this is the file we're looking for. The rules and expectations, the MP4, it's only 90 meg. All we have to do is right click and click on download, and it will scan for viruses as it said, and then it will download a copy. This browser puts it down here, a little link to it. You can show it in the folder that way. I've done this a couple times. I'm on my third take. It's however you get to your downloads. You can also just open your file explorer and go to downloads, and that'll bring it up. But this is the video, and then you can just double click on it. I'm not going to double click because it'll stop my recording. That's why I'm on my third take. And then it'll play with whatever your default video player is. And you won't be streaming it over the internet, and you might not get the choppy video or mismatched audio. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any trouble. Thanks.